Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm here to show you what the 2019 summertime hashtag Show Us Your Burgee is all about. Let's go inside and get one of our own. Alright, burgee time. Sue, you got that thing?
I've got it right here for you.
Alright, pretty much you just show up to your local MarineMax, get your burgee, get out on the water, and you have some fun. Let's get this party started. No matter where adventures take you this summer, whether it's just out on the boat having fun, out catching some rays, in front of your favorite restaurant on the water, or out cruising on the Intercoastal. The burgee symbolizes the band of boaters that we call the MarineMax family. So what are you waiting for? Come on down to your local MarineMax, get your burgee, and I'll see you out on the water. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and let's have some fun. Bye guys.